We are now at the home page of the Portuguese Green Retrofitting Menu, also known as Menu de Renovação Verde in Portuguese. In the picture you can see a typical house from Lisbon, which was the building typology chosen as a showcase of the process of transposing the original Dutch platform to the Portuguese context. Still at the home page you can see information about news about the partners of the past 2020 project. On the left side you can see the 5 themes that encompass all measures, and you can see also the other sections of the menu. The first theme is called Quick Wins, and it includes quick tips on how to reduce your energy consumption and water consumption, such as reducing water flows and changing your light bulbs to LED light bulbs. The second theme is called Insulation and Ventilation, and in here you can find a lot of measures focused on improving the building envelope. On the right side you can see a descriptive text about this theme. The measures go from pavement insulation to facade insulation, to natural ventilation, to measures on windows, and to roof insulation. If we press the 3D model, we go to a different page. On this page you can find specific measures for roof insulation, as the first one that is by the exterior of the roof. On the right side you have a text about the measure, you have some benefits and some points of attention, and you have a calculation tool that showcases 2 options. And based on the roof area and on the heating hours during the winter and on cooling hours during the summer, it estimates savings, costs, and CO2 emission savings. On the right side you also have regulations and an important section about the financing options for this measure. The third theme of this green menu is about renewable electricity production and end-use appliances. Here we can find measures such as solar PV panels, energy storage and management, electric vehicle charging, measures on lighting and end-use appliances. The fourth theme of this green menu is about climatization and water heating. Once again, on the right side you have a description of the theme. These measures focus on space heating, space cooling, and also water heating. By clicking the solar thermal panel on the roof, we are redirected for that specific measure. In here we can find a calculation tool where the user can select the type of equipment that he has at his house, the number of people that live there, and with that estimate the savings and the costs for this measure. Once again, we have a specific location for the regulations that are applicable toward this measure, as well as the financing schemes with direct links to the financing page that I will show you later. The final theme of the Portuguese Green Menu is focused on water and vegetation. In here we have measures such as green roofs, to plant your own vegetables and herbs, and also about water saving and water reuse. Now that I have shown you the 5 orientation themes of the Green Menu, I'll move on to the remaining pages. The first of which is counseling, where the user can find information about where to look and what to look for in the counseling phase. Also here we have a set of links where the user can find extra information, for example on the energy certification system and also on licensing. The next page is implementation, where the platform user can find information on how to ask for a license, how to find the correct company to implement the retrofitting measures, and also what to pay special attention when looking at a budget. Finally, also how to monitor the results. We are now at the key section of the Green Menu, which is the financing page. In here, we provide information that tries to address the important barrier of lack of funding. For each program, we provide a small description, the values and conditions which are applied, and a quick link for the program's page. In this section, we included 12 financing programs and also tax benefits that are available in Portugal. It is possible to have an overlook of all the financing schemes that are available in Portugal, and it's also possible to select for specific measures the financing schemes that actually apply to these measures. For example, if we go for solar PV panels, we have a grant program, we have loans for specific measures, and also a loan for all building retrofitting and tax benefits for energy communities. Finally, the last page of the Green Menu is about the news that are constantly updated by the project partners. For example, we have a news about the media attention that the launch of the Green Menu in Portugal received. Green Menu provides a save function and on the top of the page the user can find the measures that he saved. It's also possible to contact the partners from the Green Menu and to look on the About Us section about the Green Menu, about the European collaboration during Project PART 2020 that led to this platform, and also about the partners CENSE FCT-NOVA in Portugal, the Groene Grachten in the Netherlands, and E-Zavod in Slovenia.